Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get 1,350,000 magnet coins or token from the very first day that you join Magnet Clickbot. Now what you do is, if you click on the link from this post, or if you've registered before, you just proceed with me. If you've not registered in Magnet, what you need to do is to click on the link on this post. Then it will bring you to Telegram. Click on start, click on play, confirm your sponsor, make sure it is at Blessed Man for real, and then you click on play, and then it will bring you to this your dashboard. And once you come here, just go to task, go to your task section by the left hand side. You can see this is where you can claim your daily reward. Every day you just come and claim for 7 days, and then you start again. So when you click on this place, you can see all the tasks that you need to do. The first is to subscribe to the Telegram channel of Magnet Ecosystem. Just click on it like this, go over and then subscribe. Then after 1 hour, you come and pick your 25,000 coins. Then you come here and read this particular post, go over and read it. After 1 hour, you come back and claim your 25,000 coins. Then read this post also about the airdrop, go and read it. After 1 hour, you come back and collect your 250,000 coins. And then this is a gift, free gift given to everyone. Click on it, read the post about it. After then, you will come back in 1 hour and collect your 1 million coins. So 1 million plus 300. Then if you invite 3 friends, you come back here and then click on this and claim your 50,000. That will be 1,350,000 coins, guys, on the first day. And that's exactly that will bring you to this stage. You are going to be in Emerald, which is stage 5 of Magnet. Okay, look at the rank. We have bronze, we have silver, we have gold, we have sapphire, then we have Emerald. The moment you do this task, you will see yourself among the list of these Emerald people. Okay, I want to let you know that Magnet ecosystem is not about airdrop. Magnet is a huge ecosystem, is a revolution with more than 50 blockchain related products that can make you money in different niches: cryptocurrency, traffic generation, NFT, lotteries, and so on. You know, mini tax jobs and so on and so forth. There is a lot. So if you want to know more about all the products of Magnet and how you can make money from them, check out the link. Make sure you click on the Telegram link on this post, and then come to Telegram, ask your questions, and I will be able to pass you through everything that you need to know about Magnet. Enjoy your airdrop and enjoy yourself. Thank you, guys.